All right, boys and girls, here we are, day 13 of May Daily Math. All right, number one, how many eighths is the same as 1/2? So you can see on the picture there's your half, about like that, give or take, right? And then they have the eighths right underneath it, like that. And let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4. So then it kind of goes like this. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so how many eighths is the same as 1/2? So here's our half right here. Well, this has got to be the same here then, because it's the same distance from here to here. Right? So how many eighths is that? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4/8 is equivalent to our 1/2, okay? Number two, lots of answers here. Try a shape that is not a quadrilateral. There you go. Not a quadrilateral, right? It has rounded edges. There are not four sides, and well, it is closed. So I got that going for me. All right. You can put three-sided is not a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means four. Ooh, four. Okay. Number three. Here we go. The Piglet's rectangular pen has a perimeter of 54 feet. So I'm just going to kind of draw one like yay. Okay. The width of their pen is 15 feet. Okay, so let's just go 15 feet. That means this one is also 15 feet, right? And we know that the whole entire perimeter is 54 feet, right? So if this is 15 and this is 15, that's 30. That's 30 of the feet. So now we got to figure out this side and this side. Well, they have to be the same exact amount, right? So if we take our 54 total feet around there, and then we subtract the 30 feet, 15 and 15 for each of those two sides, we're going to be left with 24. Now that is not the answer, right? 24 is the total feet for this side and that side. So now we split 24 in half, which is 12. Okay? So 15 and 15 is 30, 12 and 12 is 24, 30 and 24 equals 54. Okay. Number 4. Yeah, another rounding riddle. Yes. To the nearest 10, these numbers round to 530. What are all the numbers they could be? So the lowest number possible to round up to 530 would be 525, right? And we could go 526, 527, 528, 529, right? And of course 530. And then we have 531, would round backwards, round down to 530, 532, 533, 534. Okay, so those are our answers. All of those round to 530. All right, number 5. The piglets eat pig chow. How much more pig chow does Pork Chop eat in one day than Petunia and Pinky? Oink, 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 baby piglets 3. You have all the names that start with P. Petunia, Pork Chop, Pinky. All right, that's really funny. So they eat a bunch of pig chow. Awesome. How much more pig chow does Pork Chop eat in one day than Petunia and Pinky? So Pork Chop eats 20, right? He eats 20 ounces a day. Petunia, I go right up on that line and she says 8. Petunia equals 8 ounces. And Pinky, Pinky's somewhere between 8 and 12. Is it 9, is it 10, or is it 11? It's 10. It's right on that line in the middle between 8 and 12, therefore it's 10. So Pinky equals 10. So between the two of them, Petunia and Pinky, they eat 18, all right? Pork Chop eats 20. So how much more pig chow does Pork Chop eat in one day than Petunia and Pinky? The answer is 2 ounces. All right, boys, girls, thank you very much. We will see you tomorrow.